Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So today I'm just going to be doing a quick review on some new brushes that I got recently for my birthday. So we're going to be talking about the Morphe and Abby Roberts. Can't remember what it's called. Let's have a look. Right, so today we're going to be talking about the Morphe and Abby Roberts 6-piece essential brush set and tubby. So I wanted this for this. I mean, I feel like these are really good for travelling. James Charles did one with Morphe and I didn't get that, and I really wanted it. So in this set you get in, well, I'll tell you what they are as I'm going through it. So let's open it up. So you're getting a sponge. I've not used the sponge yet. It's probably somewhere on the bed. I just want to use the sponges that I'm using, and then I'll use that one. I've never used a Morphe sponge, so I'm looking forward to it. I'll probably do a review on that later, just for you guys. But it was nothing special. It was just a black sponge. Can I find it? Oh, I don't know where I put it. I'll find it, I'm sure. Anyway, these are the brushes. You can see that I've used them. So let's go through them. Right, so first of all we've got the AB101 angled blush and contour brush. I've just been using it for blusher. It's okay. It's not my favourite blusher brush in my collection. I do like kind of like the grey metallic of it. Excuse me. So yeah, I mean the face brushes aren't that bad. I mean, they've not wowed me. I know that I'd be able to get better brushes than this. I have got better, more inexpensive brushes than this. I mean, this whole set goes for £32 when it's not in a sale. We got it in the sale. I can't remember how much it was. I think about £16 or something like that. But yeah, I mean, I feel like it's just too fluffy. It's too fluffy. It's not stiff. I mean, it's okay. I don't know what else to say about it. It hasn't wowed me, so there's that one. And then the next one is the AB102 under eye powder brush. This one I like slightly more, but it's not my best under eye powder brush. So I mean, I could probably use that for blush, you know, and just have it like more precise. So yeah, that's the Morphe AB102. Morphe and Abby Roberts AB102, should I say. And then we've just got 4 eyeshadow brushes. No, sorry, we've got the highlighter brush. So we've got the AB103 pointed highlighter brush, which is that one. I do actually like this. Not as much as the Jaclyn Hill one. Have I got the Jaclyn Hill one here on the bed? Then I can show you the difference. Oh no, I'll get it though, it's just... Okay, so that's the Jaclyn Hill one, and then that's the Abby Roberts one. The Abby Roberts one is taller, and the Jaclyn Hill one is more fluffy. But I do actually like this. So this is probably the best face brush in there. And then we've got 3 eyeshadow brushes, and these really are hit and miss. This one here, I tried to use it for like just blending out. So which one is this called? The AB... Is that the AB201? Yeah. The AB201 eyeshadow sweeper brush. So it is more of a sweeper brush. I do need to try it for that, but I just feel it's just too soft and they don't pick up product well at all. So that's that one. Again, not a fan. I do feel like the Jaclyn Hill brushes are far more superior to what they are. And it's an expensive set if you buy it at full price. Next up is this one. So this one is the AB314. And this one is a flat crease brush. This one picks up colour a lot better than the other one does. So yeah, I do like that a little bit more. But I don't tend to use brushes that wide normally. So there's that. And then this one is the best brush out of the lot. So it's the AB315. I absolutely love that. I would like more brushes like that. This one is the pencil defined brush. I don't think I've got... Actually, I've got a Sigma one somewhere. But then I've only got 2 that are pencil brushes. So I need to try and find some more of these. But yeah, if you was to ask me, is it worth the money? I would probably say no. I mean, I'm glad I've got it for the cubby. If I went travelling, for instance, I probably wouldn't put half of these brushes in. I'd probably just put that one in and then all my Jaclyn Hill ones. I'm glad to have them. I'm glad to have tried them and be able to review them for you guys, because I don't know when this set came out, but you might be thinking, like, if you go to Morphe when there's a sale and you might be thinking, oh, I want to get that set, it's really handy for travel. I just don't think they're good, guys. If you like a soft, fluffy brush, I think they are. But kind of like, especially for blush and bronzer, I like it to be a little bit more, I don't know, I would say condensed. Yeah. So yeah, I don't really like that one. This one is fine, but this one is probably going to be one of those powder brushes I use when I run out of the powder brushes that I really do like. So that's that. The highlighter brush I could probably keep in the cubby with my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brushes, because it's pretty nice. So that's that. And then these three brushes here, like I said, this one is definitely the best, so that one would stay in there. And then I'd probably keep those two out, because I wouldn't want to be taking brushes that I'm not going to use on holiday, or maybe if I was going to stay with my mum for a few nights and I wanted to do my makeup. I'm more likely to reach for my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brushes. Anyway guys, this is my 2 cents worth. Let me know if you've got these brushes, what you think. I'd really be interested to know in the comments. Let's have a conversation. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like the video. It would mean the absolute world to me and helps get my video out there. Share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.